Today we are going to make an Indian style omelette with 2 eggs, 4 stalks of cilantro, a small chili, quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric, quarter teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and 4 pinches of pepper, half a red onion, and about 3 teaspoons of olive oil. So I'm taking half a red onion and removing the stem and chop it fine. Dice it fine. Diced fine. Put in a bowl and crush it well with a tablespoon. The reason I'm crushing the onions so that they can fry faster. The amount of time the eggs cook with onions, the onions don't cook thoroughly. So if you crush them a little bit, they cook faster with the eggs. Now we are going to chop cilantro fine, very fine. Cilantro gives a nice flavor. And slit the chili like this and chop it fine. Add it to the onions. Now we're going to add the other ingredients of turmeric, salt, pepper, and ginger garlic, and mix it well and crush them well with the spices and mix it thoroughly. I know most people crack the eggs on the countertops, but I prefer to crack the eggs with my knife. I give a nice hard crack and open them. No eggshells. Now we are going to add the eggs to the onion mix. Beat them well. Beat it well until you see like a froth on top. Meanwhile, I'm going to turn the stove on and let it get hot and beat it well. Once the pan is hot, it's hot now, we are going to add 3 teaspoons of oil. I let the oil spread all over the pan. Then add the egg mix. And spread it. Now I'm going to turn the stove on very low so it cooks on low flame so that the onions get cooked thoroughly. Lift to see if it's brown. It's almost brown. And gently flip it. It smells so delicious. It smells so good. You can eat it for breakfast or for dinner. It's not yet done. You see the raw eggs on the sides. Let it cook. You see here? All the eggs to be cooked on the sides, you see. Sometimes you see it's not cooked, so you can flip it once more. Here it's cooked thoroughly, just certain parts were raw. So once you flip it again, it's thoroughly cooked and it's not too brown. It's all done. Serve it on a plate. I'm going to feed it to my husband. Here it is. Steaming hot. How's it?
Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's absolutely perfect. Great job, girl. It's fantastic.
It's delicious.
Let me get another bite.
So perfect.
Great job. Great job.